Yes, children, moving to quantum numbers and their significance. First, what are quantum numbers? We know your electrons are revolving in an orbit, and I have told you what is the difference between your orbit and orbital. Orbital is nothing but your space or region where there is a maximum probability to find the electrons. That is called as orbitals. Now, each of the atomic orbitals can be specified by giving energy and angular momentum to them. I am going to call this energy and angular momentum as quantized specific level. Quantized, what is quantum or quantized means I am giving some specific certain values to them. So those quantized values can be represented as quantum numbers, and there are 4 quantum numbers which we are going to see one by one. So what are quantum numbers? Atomic orbitals are specified by giving energies and angular momentum to them. These are called as specified energy levels. These are called as specified quanta or quantized energy levels. So they are called as quantum numbers. So there are 4 quantum numbers. Principal quantum number. Second one is azimuthal quantum number, otherwise called as angular quantum number. Third one is magnetic quantum number, and fourth one is magnetic spin quantum number. So principal quantum number is represented by the symbol n, and what is the restriction? It will take only positive value. And what is the range of value? It is 1, 2 and 3. What is the significance of principal quantum number? My principal quantum number is used to determine the size of the orbital. It is used to determine the energy of the orbital. It can identify shell. The value it takes can be represented as n square. So what is the significance of principal quantum number? It takes up it is used to calculate the energy of orbital. It is used to calculate it is used to determine the size of the orbital. It can determine shell, and the maximum value allotted is n square. That is the specific value. What is the second? Azimuthal, otherwise called as angular quantum number. It is represented by the term L. And what is its restriction? This also takes positive integers, but less than n is also possible. That is 0, 1, 2. It will be n minus L. N minus L. And what is the significance of azimuthal quantum number? It can determine subshell, while your principal quantum number can identify shell. Children, 1 second. Yeah. While your azimuthal quantum number can identify subshell, it can identify the shape of the orbital, it can determine the energy of the orbital. It is represented as L plus 1 into L plus 1 h by 2 pi. Okay, this is not much important, children. Only the significance you try to learn, whether it is going to determine energy, shell or subshell. Only that much is important. No need to remember all these. Okay. Now what is the third quantum number? Magnetic quantum number. What is the symbol represented? M dash. And what is the restriction? It takes the integers between minus L and plus L. It takes the integers between minus L and plus L, and its value is 2L plus 1. This is the range of values it can take up. What is the significance of magnetic quantum number? It is going to determine the magnetic orientation of the orbital. Okay, it is going to determine the magnetic orientation of the orbital. Principal quantum number identifies shell, energy, size of the orbital. Azimuthal quantum number or angular quantum number, shape, then shape of the orbital identifies the subshell. Magnetic quantum number, what is its significance? It is going to determine the magnetic orientation of the orbital. Now what is the last? Magnetic spin quantum number. It is represented by the symbol Ms. What is its restriction? It takes the values between plus half, that is it takes either plus half or minus half, and the range of values is also plus half, minus half. And spin quantum number and magnetic quantum number are represented by the term mu is nothing but magnetic moment, n into n plus 2. Spin quantum number is represented as s into s minus 1 h by 2 pi. Okay, h by 2 pi. So these are the quantum numbers. What are quantum numbers? Our atomic orbitals are specified by giving some quanta, means we are giving certain specific values. They are called as quantum numbers. There are 4 quantum numbers: principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number or angular quantum number, magnetic quantum number and magnetic spin quantum number. and we have seen the significance of all these quantum numbers. Next, moving to the shape of the orbitals. We have discussed already that different orbitals have different shapes. What are the different orbitals and what are their shapes? Let us see that. Okay children, we have seen about the 4 different quantum numbers. Next, moving to the shape of the orbitals. What are the shape of the orbitals? First of all, what are orbitals? Region or space where the electrons will be revolving. Now, I am just showing you 3 orbitals shape, S, P, D, F. Okay, it goes on. Now, I am going to explain only about 3 orbitals shape. First orbital is S orbital. S is into 1s, 2s. 1s, the shape of 1s orbital is spherically symmetrical. And when you see the density of charge cloud around, this is nucleus, okay. When you see the density of the charge cloud, the density of the charge cloud is maximum in case of s orbital. Now what happens to 2s orbital? 2s orbital is also spherically symmetrical, but here the density of the charge cloud is maximum till certain distance of the nucleus, after which it is not uniform. Clear? 1s orbital and 2s orbital, they are symmetrically similar. They are spherically symmetrical. But density of charge cloud is uniform in all the directions. But in 2s, the density of the charge cloud is more around some distance of nucleus, and it is not uniform afterwards. Okay, it is not uniform afterwards. Moving to the 2p orbitals. What are the subdivisions of p orbital? We have x, y and z. It is dumbbell shaped. When you see px, py, pz, they all are in dumbbell shape only. But you know what is the difference? The difference is the direction of their alignment is different. See, this is px, py, pz. Okay, shape of p orbital px, py and pz. What is the third orbital? D orbital. There are 5 subdivisions in that: dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. These are the 5 orbitals of d orbital. 5 different orbitals for d. What about the shape of all these 5 orbitals? The shape is similar. Then almost all first 4 orbitals have similar shape, while your dz square is in different shape. So d orbitals is classified into 5: xy, yz, zx, x square minus y square, z square. 4 orbitals share the same shape. They also will be in dumbbell shape only, while the 5th orbital, that is dz square shape, is different. But what happens to the energy level of all the d orbital? Energy level is same. Energy level will be same. Then moving to psi and psi square. I have already explained about psi square. What is psi? Orbital function. It is nothing but wave function. What is psi square? Square of wave function. Psi is wave function. Psi square is square of wave function. What is psi, children? Psi represents electron present in orbital. What is psi representing me? Psi represents electron present in the orbital. Electron present in the orbital is represented as psi. What is psi square? That is probability of, or the probability of finding the electron is maximum, is represented as psi square. The probability of finding the electron maximum is represented as psi square. Okay, we'll move to the next topic. So you know about the shapes of different orbitals, that is s orbital, p orbital, d orbital. Yes children, we'll move to the next topic. Yes children, moving to rules for filling the orbitals. How to fill the orbitals? So rules for filling the orbitals. There are 3 rules: Pauli's exclusion rule, Abba principle, Hund's rule. What is Pauli's exclusion rule? No 2 electron in an atom can have 4 quantum numbers. See, no 2 electrons in an atom should have all the 4 quantum numbers. This is not allowed. So what is allowed? An orbital is having 2 electrons, and that 2 electrons should be in opposite spin. This is your Pauli's exclusion rule. Okay. No 2 electrons can have 4 quantum numbers. 2 electrons should be of opposite spin. What is ABBA principle? Your electron present in the orbitals. Electrons should be filled in the orbitals in increasing order of energy. How will you fill the electrons in the orbital? It should be in increasing order of energy. See, an orbital having lowest energy should be filled first, and the orbital having highest energy should be filled last. So any orbital having lowest energy should be filled first, and orbital having your highest energy should be filled last. I am going to tell two examples. Now there is a competition between 3D and 4s, which should be filled first. Okay, 3D. Okay, 3D. So n plus L, apply the formula. What is n? N value is 3. So n is equal to 3 plus what is the value of L for D? S is equal to 0. After S, P is equal to 1. After P, D is equal to 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay. For 3D, 5 is the answer. Okay. S is equal to 0. Children, I have written here. See, this is the order of filling the orbitals. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s. It goes on. Right. What is the value of n? N is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 3. Okay, I have written that. What is the value of L? I told you for S orbital, L is equal to 0. For P, 1. For D, 2. For F, 3. Okay. S, P, D, F. S is equal to 0. S is equal to 0. P is equal to 1. D is equal to 2. F is equal to 3. So that's what I have written here. L is equal to 0. Okay. S, since it is S, it is 0. For P, it is 1. S, 0. P, 1. D, 2. Okay. Done. So there is a competition between D and S orbital. Okay. There is a competition between D and S orbital. So what should I do, children? I told you how to calculate 3D. N plus L. N is equal to 3. L is equal to 2. So the answer is 5. Now what about 4s, children? Write the value n plus L. N is equal to what? 4. I told you for S the value is 0. So 4 plus 0 is 4. Now which is the less value? 4 or 5? 4 is less value. So which should be filled, children? Your 3D should be filled first, followed by 4s. So whenever there is a competition between 3D and 4s, orbital having lower energy filled first, orbital having higher energy filled last. Okay. So here between 3D and 4s, which should be filled first? Which is having your lower energy? See, your 3D is having 5 as energy and your 4s is having 4 as energy. So see the order: 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d. After that 4s, 4d. Just you need to mug up the order. For that there is a small song which I will be sending you. School, public school, Delhi public school. I will be sending that song. Remember that to know the correct order. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, like that. Okay. So we know what is Pauli's exclusion rule. We know what is ABBA principle. Now let me cite you one more example. I have 2p, I have 3s. Right? I have 2p, I have 3s. How will you write n plus L? What is the value of n? N is equal to 2. What is the value of P? P is equal to 1. So what is the value? 3 I got. Now between 3s, what is the value of n? N is equal to 3. What is the value? S? S is equal to 0. So now this is also 3. Now I have same values. Now which should be filled first? The value where n is lower, that should be preferred. Now if I got two orbitals having same values as 3 and 3, then lower n is preferred. Here n is equal to 3. Here n is equal to 2. So which should be preferred? Your 2p is preferred than 3s. Okay. 2p is preferred than 3s. Okay, children. Yeah. Moving to the last rule, that is Hund's rule. What is Hund's rule? No electron pairing takes place in SPD until each subshell is having one electron each. I am repeating what is Hund's rule. No electron pairing takes place in s orbital, p orbital, d orbital until each subshell is having at least one electron. See, let me tell you an example. Now nitrogen is 7, children. What is n value? N is 7. I have to fill it up. So how will I fill? 1s2, 2s2, because maximum number of electrons allowed in s orbital will be 2. So 1s2, 2s2, 2px for x subshell 1, for y subshell 1, for z subshell 1. This is the correct way. I should not fill like this. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2x, 2py1. I should not fill 2 orbitals